Yo, what's up, traders? It is Futures Friday, and today we are in the green yet again on crude oil. But yeah, left a lot of money on the table today, man, and it does not feel good. So even though I'm in the green, left a lot of cash on the table, and we're gonna see how. So let's get into the trade. Alright, so overnight, what do? We finally get up and break, what's this? We finally got up and broke yesterday's high, which we had difficulty doing yesterday. So it made this high at 57.42. That's kind of a level we've been looking for the last few sessions, right? So even when we come back to Wednesday, what's going on over here? This same high, 57.4, 57.4. And tonight, overnight, we finally broke that 57.4, got up to 57.88, formed this kind of head and shoulders pattern. So you see 1, 2, here's your head, right? So sellers kind of, or buyers got a little weak at that level, whatever. So yeah, so sellers were, defending this 57.8 area overnight. And then yeah, we tested that at the open again. Okay, so let's see what I did. So today was actually, I took 4 trades. One of them was an error. Something popped up on my screen. It was like, you've exceeded the amount of futures trades you can trade today, but there's no limit. So I don't know what TD was thinking about. I'm switching my platform actually. I'm going to stop trading on TD because their fees are just ridiculous. But yeah, I like their platform. It's been good, but it's time to move on, right? So for now, we're still on TD. But yeah, what happens at the open? At the open, sellers drive down. So this is the zone we were looking at. This is the zone from the last 2 sessions combined, right? This is the value area for that. So what do? Well, let's see what we do. Here I actually took a long, right? Because if it breaks out of this level, I want to get long, and yeah, this is a breakout potential play right here. So I actually got into the trade here, got out up here, and then yeah, took some profits, waited, made some more trades. But let's see. Let's show the trade. It's going to look a little crazy, so let's go to the 1-minute chart. So yeah, overnight, kind of traded up higher to 57.88, but sellers stepped in and defended that level. Now what we do, so guys, if your screen, here's a little tip. If your screen is like looking like this, it's gonna be real hard to tell, where the swing highs, swing lows are, because it's so damn, it looks just choppy, right? So what you got to do is just do this, find a nice, I don't know, median, and then yeah, you don't want your charts looking like this, okay? I know I'm MetaTrader 4 for the Forex traders out there. Most of the time their charts do look like this. So you can just double click on the right to fix that, or you can, manually adjust, okay? So yeah, manually adjust, whatever. So here's the long, oh my God, I hate when it does this. All right, so here is, what the hell, man? Here is the long I took, 57.38, and you can see that I took it off. I took some off at 57.49, right? I took one there just to lock in some profit, and then I took the rest as it kind of dipped down a little bit at 57.43. So that was the first trade. That was the first. Here's the trade P&Ls. So the first one, 210, right? That's right here. Now we come back into this, we retest this zone right here, 57.33, okay? Let me shrink this down. Let me move it away for you. But yeah, we retest this zone right here, 57.33, And over here, you know, we got a nice bounce of that, right? So I was thinking, you know what, this might be a good trade right here. It was a good trade. It just didn't work out, right? So yeah, I followed my plan. It just didn't work out. We got that nice. We saw these wicks down here, right? So that was kind of. I thought buyers were really trying to pump in at that time. So I took the risk, whatever, managed it, and I went down 180 on that one. So I bought it over here, 57.39, on this, literally on this doji, but I wasn't looking at the candlestick charts, by the way. So yeah, I bought it on that, what looked like a breakout, and then, you know, sellers stepped in, pushed this back into this area that I mentioned, right, that we're looking at for today. And then I took, what happened here? Another long or something at 57.34. Yeah, and then that one was stopped out as well. So that's the one that was like, it said something about you made too many trades, you exceeded the futures limit. So I just exited it immediately because I didn't know what the hell it was saying. It didn't let me put my stop loss. So I exited that immediately, and that one was down. So whatever. We come back into this zone, and it's at this point in time where I look at this 5-minute chart, and I'm just like, hey, look at this wick into this zone, okay, 57.50s. This means something, right? This is the same part of this head and shoulders, right? It reached the same level. So, and then we saw these big red candles, whatever. Price came back into here, into this zone that I was looking at. And then I took the short at 57.27, which was right here. And I rode it to the other side of this zone, which, you know, wasn't the best idea to exit all of them right here. As you can see, I missed a lot of profit potential on this next leg down, right? So it's whatever. What I should do, like I said, I think in yesterday's or the day before's video, I should have scaled out, you know, 1 or 2 of them even at this level and just let the others play out. If it comes back up, hit the stop, whatever, you're still going to end up in profit. But that's the best thing to do in this situation, is to scale out some of your position at this first target, which was the other side of this value area, and then just let the other one ride and try and get lucky, right? There's a difference, you know, I don't want to say getting lucky, but you never know what's going to happen, right? So you just want to let it ride and see what happens, okay? So on that last one, I was able to close. So yeah, you guys can learn from my mistakes. This is why I make these videos, to help you guys out, because I have no one to help me out like this, okay? You're stranded in this game. You're stranded. They don't want to see you win. But here you go. The last one was 660, so that covered these two. And we made the 450 for today. It's a good start to March. March 1st, 450. We're starting off March on a green note. But yeah, we could have been much greener. So yeah, I'm no guru or master at this shit. You could see that I'm still getting better and better and better. My job right now is just to stay consistent and put the, you know, just come out on green every day, right? Because I know that these same plays, I'm going to be doing them with 10 lots, 50 lots, 100 lots, right? So if I keep nailing these and I show myself that I'm consistent over a couple months, then I'm going to really put on some size and start going crazy, okay? So you guys are going to see me in the whole process, okay? So this is good stuff right here. Good trades, good risk management today. Could have let the winners ride, okay? And yeah, that's what happened today. So this thing is still trying to break lower, 56.06, right? So this was a nice little trade right here. Could have been like a 10 to 1 trade right here, right? But instead I got what, like 2 risk to reward. So I left a lot of profits on the table, but it's all right. It's all right. We're staying consistent. We're keeping that P&L green, and my equity curve is just looking like this lately, okay? So let's go. Another profitable day before, when did I even close this trade? 10:30, okay? So another profitable trade before 10:30, okay? So an hour a day is going to keep, an hour a day of trading can keep the 9 to 5 away, I should say, okay? So that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. I hope you enjoy these videos. If you do, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment, let me know what you think. I read all the comments. I'll respond to your comments. And if you got any suggestions, you know, whatever, just subscribe to this channel if you want to see somebody go from $400 days to $40,000 days in the future, okay? I'm going to say it right now because I know it's true and will happen. It's just a matter of time, all right? So subscribe, like this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.